Hey Engagers! Welcome to another tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the Ongage custom list fields, which are custom characteristics that you can set up for each one of the contexts on your list to store. Let's go. To access them, click on the List Settings submenu. Here, you can set up all the custom list fields, also known as data points, that you would like to associate with each contact in a given list. For example, you can associate their first name, their last name, the state where they live, time zone, membership status, whether they're registered or paying, if they're VIP customers or not, their area of interest, and much more, whatever type of information that you want them to have. All these list fields can be used both for personalized content in the body of the message, like addressing a contact by their first name or membership status, as well as for segmenting purposes, for instance, targeting all paying VIP customers only. The email field is the key field to the list database, and therefore is the only field that cannot be removed or renamed. All the rest of them you can add, rename, or delete as needed. To add a new field, click on the Create New Field button. Enter a title, and the system will automatically create a field name based on it. This is the same field name you use in the import CSV file. Here you can now choose the data type of the field, most commonly for instance string for data like names, date for data like subscription date, webinar date, or birth date, and numeric for number values, and even long string for multiple values, for instance like multiple areas of interest. Now you can just click on Create. And that's it. You quickly created a new list field for your leads. Thank you so much for watching Engager. For more questions, make sure to keep watching more videos. See ya!